Hi everyone! Konnichiwa! I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking. I hope you enjoy my Baby Food in Japan series. Today I would like to show you how to make a set meal for 9 to 10 months olds. What makes this video unique is that with little seasonings, parents can eat along, so you don't need to cook many times for different family members. So I hope this set meal recipe will help you and create more free time to do yourself or to do your family. So please look forward to it. And as always, my family, Mario and Luigi will be joining as helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So a set meal is ready. So let's try tasting. いただきます。Okay, I'll start with udon. The noodles are very warm and so comfort. Sweetness from the pumpkin goes well with the soup. Spinach and pumpkin are also included in this udon, so it's full of nutrients. Now let's try that omelette. For adults, I recommend to put the ketchup. Vegetables have a gentle taste. Without ketchup, adults can eat as it is. And carrots and broccoli are also soft. How about the yogurt? Boiled carrots goes well with yogurt. It's a good dessert. ごちそうさまでした。Here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: I recommend to cut the udon noodles for your children. And tip: and I think the vegan dashi is also delicious for this dish. So please take a look at my recipe video. And tip: to make an omelette, you can also use the fry pan. I used the microwave today to save time. Tip: for the yogurt, the dessert, the softness of the carrot is the key. So please boil longer so that the children can eat easily. So check it well before combining with yogurt. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How was this set meal recipe videos? I hope these recipes will help you to make nutritious and healthy set meals. And would you like to know more about family life? Please check my newsletter. To sign in, please go to my food blog. It's yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. The pop-up screen comes up. So please type your email address and name and click. And that's it. I send 1 or 2 emails a month, so I don't bother you a lot. So please join. And if you see my video for the first time, thank you for coming. I introduce easy and yummy Japanese recipes, including baby food, kids meals, and pregnancy food, and also desserts. So please don't forget to subscribe, and also please push the bell button to get the fastest information. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. Have a great day, great weekend, and a wonderful new week. We will see you next time. Bye bye.